Along with the rapid development of Web3 and blockchain technology, the associated regulatory complexity and difficulty are increasing as well. Although blockchain technology is relatively able to provide data security, hackers can still commit illegal activities by obscuring transaction paths. Thus, KYC, Know Your Clients, and AML, anti-money laundering, is very crucial. Meanwhile, many practitioners generally deem KYC and AML the way to go for on-chain application compliance. Though effective in verifying the legitimacy of transactions and preventing illegal on-chain activities, traditional KYC solutions are still facing resistance to being implemented in Web3. The main reason is that traditional KYC methods violate full anonymity and privacy preservation. This means we need a new KYC solution that meets global regulatory requirements while protecting user privacy. That's why zCloak Network launched Legit ID, a redefining omnichain KYC solution. Currently, one of the major challenges faced by users in the KYC process is that users need to verify repeatedly for different interactions and organizations, resulting in a redundant and cumbersome KYC process. Legit ID innovates on its inherent omnichain KYC, which means users no longer need to repeat KYC verifications, just KYC once, and the result can be recognized on all blockchain and dApps, and also directly and efficiently integrate with smart contracts. Another key advantage of Legit ID is real-time AML alerts. With real-time alerts, organizations are enabled to stay ahead of hackers, ensuring platforms and organizations securely transact with legitimate users only while protecting them from potential security risks and threats. Additionally, Legit ID provides high-quality and cost-effective verification results, saving time and resources while providing bank-level professional KYC services. Furthermore, Legit ID allows customizable identity verification. Businesses can customize the detail level of identity information from basic KYC status to detailed AML risk assessments, and even leverage zero-knowledge proofs for enhanced data privacy. This ensures companies to acquire precise data they need while maintaining compliance and protecting user privacy. In addition to the above features, Legit ID demonstrates its versatility through, for example, cross-border payment scenarios, ensuring streamlined and secure transactions and effectively reducing fraud risks. Similarly, in the burgeoning world of decentralized finance, DeFi, Legit ID simplifies the onboarding processes, enabling DeFi platforms to swiftly and securely onboard users for services like lending, borrowing, or trading, achieving the balance between privacy and compliance. Finally, Legit ID stands as a comprehensive, efficient, and innovative omnichain KYC solution, which caters to a range of needs, from basic identity checks to complex compliance requirements, all while ensuring a user-friendly experience. Legit ID is destined to become a key tool for the future of digital identity management, for its high performance, optimized workflow, and seamless user experience.